What if I told you your car has more computers than a fighter jet? Modern vehicles don't just run on fuel. They run on data. From the moment you unlock your car to the second you hit the brakes, dozens of hidden computers are working together behind the scenes. These are called ECUs, electronic control units. And today, I'm breaking down every major ECU in your car, what it does, and why it matters. Trust me, after this video, you'll never look at your car the same way again. An ECU, electronic control unit, is basically a mini computer inside your car. It takes input from sensors, processes that information, and sends commands to actuators. Think of it like this: sensors equals eyes and ears, ECU equals brain, actuators equals muscles. Modern cars don't have just one brain. They have a network of brains, all communicating through systems like CAN-bus. Let's start with the heart of the car, the powertrain. 1. The engine control module. ECM is the main computer or brain of a car's engine. It acts as a sophisticated onboard computer that monitors sensors to manage fuel injection, ignition timing, and emission controls in real time, ensuring optimal performance, efficiency, and diagnostic troubleshooting. The ECM relies on data from a network of sensors throughout the vehicle. These sensors provide real-time information about various engine and environmental conditions. Key sensors include oxygen, airflow, coolant temperature, and various position sensors. The ECM processes input from the sensors using pre-programmed algorithms. Based on that input, the ECM makes real-time decisions to adjust a number of factors, including fuel injection, ignition timing, valve timing, and air intake. Next, we have the TCM, Transmission Control Module. It is an electronic computer that manages the automatic transmission, determining optimal gear shifts based on sensor data like speed, throttle position, and engine RPM. It acts as the brain for shifting, ensuring smooth operation, performance, and fuel efficiency. Uses data from engine RPM, throttle position, wheel speed sensors, and braking to decide when to shift. In some vehicles, the ECM and TCM are combined into one unit, the PCM. It controls air-to-fuel ratio, ignition timing, and idle speed, while also managing gear changes in automatic transmissions. 3. Turbocharger Control Module. A turbo control module or turbocharger actuator is an electromechanical device that regulates a turbocharger's boost pressure, ensuring optimal engine power and preventing damage. It adjusts turbocharger vanes or wastegates based on ECU signals to manage exhaust gas flow. It manages the turbocharger's speed to prevent overboosting and protect the engine. 4. Glow Plug Control Module. This is an electronic component found in diesel engines only that manages the timing, duration, and electrical current supplied to the glow plugs. It ensures the combustion chamber is preheated, enabling fast, efficient starting in cold weather and reducing emissions. It analyzes engine parameters to determine exactly when and for how long the glow plugs need to heat. 5. Battery Management System BMS is the intelligent brain of the battery pack, overseeing safe and efficient operation by monitoring voltage, current, and temperature. It ensures battery longevity, maximizes driving range, and prevents dangerous overheating or overcharging. The BMS manages individual cell balancing, thermal regulation, and overall battery health. 6. Motor Control Unit MCU is a critical power electronics module in EVS that acts as the brain for the electric drivetrain. It converts DC battery energy into AC energy to drive the motor, precisely managing torque, speed, and direction based on driver input. 7. Anti-lock Braking System ABS is an electronic control unit that prevents wheel lockup during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control and reduce skidding. It acts as the brain, analyzing wheel speed, modulating brake pressure via valves and a pump, and preventing skids. Continuously monitors sensors on each wheel to detect if a wheel is spinning significantly slower than the others. Electronic Stability Program ESP/ESC module is a computerized technology that improves a vehicle's stability by detecting and reducing loss of traction skidding. It uses the following sensors: wheel speed sensors, which monitor the rotation speed of each wheel; steering angle sensor, which tells the computer where the driver intends to go; 3. Yaw rate sensor for measuring the vehicle's actual rotation sideways movement; 4. Hydraulic unit to physically applies the brakes to individual wheels; 9. Airbag Control Module ACM. Supplemental Restraint System (SRS) module is the central computer brain in a car that manages airbag deployment. It evaluates crash sensor data to determine the severity of an impact and triggers airbags, seatbelt pretensioners, while storing crash data. It is usually found under the center console, driver's seat, or dashboard. 10. Electronic Power Steering (EPS) module is the brain of a modern, non-hydraulic steering system. It receives input from various vehicle sensors to control an electric motor, which provides precise steering assistance to the driver. Unlike traditional hydraulic systems, EPS operates on demand, reducing energy consumption and enabling advanced driver assistance features. This module controls a system typically composed of 1. Electric motor, which delivers the physical force to assist in turning the wheels. 2. Torque sensor, used to measure how hard the driver is turning the steering wheel. And lastly, the steering position angle sensor, which detects the angle and speed of the steering wheel. 11. Suspension Control Module (SCM) is the central computer in an air suspension system that manages ride height, stiffness, and vehicle leveling by processing data from height sensors, steering angle, and vehicle speed. It controls the air compressor and solenoid valves to inflate or deflate air springs bags to optimize handling and ride comfort. 12. Traction Control System (TCS) module is any electronic safety component typically integrated within the anti-lock braking system (ABS) unit that prevents driven wheels from losing traction, spinning uncontrollably during acceleration. It works as an active safety feature by monitoring wheel speed and automatically intervening to restore grip, ensuring the vehicle remains stable and controllable on slippery surfaces such as rain, snow, or gravel. Functions as a silent co-pilot that operates within milliseconds to manage traction, acting through two primary methods. 13. ADAS Domain Controller stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems Domain Controller. It is a high-performance, centralized computing unit within a vehicle designed to manage and consolidate various advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) and autonomous driving (AD) functions. Unlike traditional vehicles that use individual electronic control units (ECUs) for every single function, an ADAS domain controller consolidates multiple functions into a single brain, enabling superior processing power, lower complexity, and better sensor fusion for safety. Serves as the core hub for intelligent vehicle operation. 14. Body Control Module (BCM) is any electronic control unit responsible for monitoring and managing various body-related electrical accessories, acting as a central hub for comfort and security functions. It controls power windows, doors, lighting, wipers, and anti-theft systems by processing inputs and driving electrical loads. It communicates with other control units via networks like CAN or LIN buses. 15. Instrument Cluster Module, often called the gauge cluster, dashboard, or driver display unit, is the primary digital, analog interface located directly behind the steering wheel in a vehicle. It acts as a central communication hub, gathering data from various vehicle sensors and computers, like the ECU, to provide real-time information about vehicle performance, safety, and health to the driver. 16. Climate Control Module (HVAC). It monitors cabin temperature, humidity, and sensors to automatically regulate heating, ventilation, and air conditioning to maintain a consistent, user-defined comfort level. It manages air mixing, fan speed, and heat exchanger function. It comprises of blower motor, heater core, air conditioning compressor, vents, blend doors, and sensors to mix warm and cold air. 17. Seat Control Module is any electronic control unit (ECU) in modern vehicles that manages power seat movements, memory settings, heating, and cooling. It acts as a central hub, receiving input from switches and using electric motors to adjust seating positions, height, tilt, recline, and, in some cases, mirrors and steering wheel, enhancing comfort and personalization. 18. In some cars like Volkswagen, it's fitted with infotainment head unit. This is the central control hub located in a vehicle's dashboard that manages the car's audio, information, and entertainment systems. It serves as the brain of the digital ecosystem, consolidating controls for various services, typically including radio, navigation, and smartphone connectivity into one central touchscreen display. 19. Telematics Control Unit (TCU). It is an embedded, vehicle-based computer system that enables two-way communication between a car and external networks. It collects data from sensors via GPS and the vehicle's internal network and bus to manage functions like navigation, emergency calls, and over-the-air auto updates. It comprises of 1. GPS receiver, which tracks the vehicle's location. 2. Cellular modem, sends and receives data via cellular networks for 5G. 3. Processor and memory, processes vehicle data, such as speed, engine health, and driver behavior. 4. Interfaces, connects with other vehicle control modules ECUs to monitor diagnostics. And lastly, we have the gateway module. It manages routes and translates data between diverse, isolated vehicle networks such as CAN, LIN, and Ethernet. The functions of a CAN gateway module are: 1. It acts as a bridge between different types of bus systems, allowing low-speed CAN networks comfort diagnostics to communicate with high-speed networks engine, transmission. 2. Acts as a router, directing data between functional domains in the vehicle, such as between electronic control units ECUs, sensors, and external communication interfaces. 3. Safeguards the in-vehicle network from unauthorized access, effectively acting as a firewall for diagnostics and remote connections. And lastly, facilitates data exchange for ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, and vehicle diagnostics. So the next time you start your car, remember, you're not just driving a machine. You're driving a network of intelligent systems, all working together in perfect sync. From engine performance, to safety, to comfort, ECUs are the real brains behind modern vehicles. And if one fails, everything can change. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive deep dives, and tell me in the comments which ECU surprised you the most.